OPE. Sorry for the late video, buddy. It has been a crazy couple of days, but here goes, better late than never. First thing we did, we took something in our hands. This just happens to be a dog Kong, but a tennis ball, anything which just gets your grip. And then we used this for the wrist, basically around that radial ulnar joint, which was the one which wraps around here, which basically allows our wrist to move. So what you're going to do, take it, grip it nice and tight, keep your elbow tucked into the side. Rotate it, we call this supination. So think of that supination coming from up there at the radius. From there, keep it supinated as much as possible as it comes out. So you're basically turning that thumb out. Then we turn it all the way in, and come all the way down to straight. Rotate out, all the way up, rotate in, all the way down. Do it a little bit slower than that, maybe 5 times, and then swap it round. So then you come up, rotate, slowly come all the way to straight. Rotate as far as you can go, come up, rotate all the way to straight. That was that exercise. Second one, thanks dogs again for a well-chewed bone. We place that on the wrist. Never tried it with one of these, but let's see. So this is just to make sure that your forearm stays still as you get the movement from the wrist joint. And just be aware that it's not a finger exercise, but we're looking at this joint here. So basically where your carpal bones are. So the bone, or the pen, or what have you, goes just up a bit from there. And you go both ways. From there, we had the 4-point kneeling stuff, which I'll send you a video for. But also on top of that, we did this one, where we had the elbows together, and then you just rotate at the wrist joints as well, then mobilize all the carpal bones and back the other way. From there, then we look to integrate it into a full chain. So I gave you the spiral exercise last time and the arm swings last time with the back slap. What we're doing is trying to lengthen now all the way through the nervous system. So we're going to do like a nervy kind of stretch. So one hand, as you supinate it, you fully extend it. So it's coming all the way down to there. The other one, you put your thumb just inside, grip it, come down into flexion, and then it's as if you're reaching for a baton behind, but keeping that wrist cocked up as well. So we put the two of them together, we get extended on the right, flexed on the left, change them. Now we can do that also. When we just did the reach, we get that rotation of the ribs going with it as well. So if I had light bulbs on my chest, they would go from left to right. So do the same thing. Oops, just knocked everything down behind me. But then the forwards arm becomes extended, the backwards one flexed, and just reach out to the body as your body kind of stays straight down, so you're not leaning forward, but it becomes kind of a rotation. A bit like one of the horses on a carousel, where it stays down through that pole, but everything moves around it. I'll send you the one with the on 4 points. I think that was it that we did. So once again, really sorry it's taken so long. Enjoy. Any questions, just give me a call.